Hello everybody, today I am going to show you how to change room decorations in Scratch. Let's do it! Here on Scratch page we tap Create. Then we delete the cat. Then we come to Backdrop and we take Bedroom Tree. Look how it's pretty. We choose a sprite now. We choose Abby. We place her here, then we clicked here. Then we come to backdrops. And here it's looking like this. We delete this backdrop and then you have to choose this. Then you come again to backdrop and you take bedroom 2. It will look like this. It will be here. It has to stay, don't remove it. Then again we choose backdrop and we take bedroom 1. It has to look like this. Don't delete it from here. It has to stay. In again we come to backdrop and we take bedroom 3. Then we are ready with our bedrooms. Then we come here and tap code. Now we have to write the code. From events we take when the flag is clicked. From looks, we take next backdrop. We put it here. From control, we take wait 1 sec, but we do it 2 sec. Then from looks, again we take next backdrop and we put it here. From control, we take wait 1 sec. And we do it again 2 seconds. Then again from looks we take next backdrop and we put it here. And then from control we take wait 1 sec, but we do it again 2 seconds. And then we have to tap this and it will look like. And now we tap green flag and it will change. Look how it's cool. We can see how the room decorations are changing. So if we want to stop it, we click the red button. And if you want to go back to the problem, you tap this and you're again here. Now for homework, you can make it with 5 bedrooms. This is it for today. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you!